Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue improving the Python program for our rate problem. We will add code that will provide better description of D, R, and M. So we have D is the daughter heights, R is the rate between Margaret's height and the daughter heights, and M is the unknown, the Margaret's height. So let's start writing the code. I will start by writing an empty line, which is print, just print. And then print, we have D is the daughter's height, period. The value is, and then I will just say D. I will add the new object, which is the object D, that is 2. And then I will say that it is in feet. Period. Same thing for R, print R is the rate between Margaret's height and the daughter's height, period. The value is, and then I will say the object R, and I will just add a period, and same thing for M to have it in the same format. M is Margaret's height, period. The value is, we don't know the value, so I will just add a string unknown. So it will print the value, it's unknown. But we know that although it's unknown, the units are feet. Period. I will delete it, well, I will leave an empty line here. So and I will save it and run it. Okay, so what we have, we are saying who D, R, and M are, the formula, how we compute. So we have D, the description, the value, and the units. R, the name, R, the description, the value, and the units. Well, this one doesn't have any units. And M, Margaret height, description, the value, unknown feet, so we know that is unknown. Thank you very much for watching.